Yes, Honorable Ogong.
Madam Speaker, I want to confirm and agree
First leave the north.
with my brother, Honorable Odur Jonathan. Madam Speaker, I'm a nationalist. But when something happens in the direction of marginalizing any community, I stand up. For the North now, it is becoming worse and worse. When you look at the Equal Opportunities Report, Madam Speaker, we had wanted this report to be debated in this Parliament. 67% of the jobs, opportunities are going to the West. It is there. And this parastatement...
Honorable, let's not specify the area.
Okay. Madam Speaker, facts speaks for themselves. And the North, for example, and the East, 13% is going to Eastern Uganda. 11% is going to Northern Uganda. That means North and Eastern Uganda, which is a half of Uganda, only receives 23%. You can imagine this imbalance. And I think this is not fair. Madam Speaker, when it comes, even now we need to talk about the army. When you look at promotion, there was some promotion of 38 from the level of major to major general. 38 of them, I think it was 35 out of 40, was coming from one region. That is in defense. And in the Constitution, recruitment should be balanced in our UPDF. But now, it is not balanced. Even yesterday, there was some promotion of some people to Major General. 3 of them. Yeah. And all of them, 100% was coming from one region.
There is somebody who is tempting.
And I think it is not fair.
Somebody is tempting to give you an order.
My brother, it is better.
You first listen.
Let me state facts.
You first listen to his order.
Madam Speaker, luckily, the Minister of Internal Affairs is here. When they are making recruitments for UPDF, they advertise countrywide. When they are recruiting for Uganda Police, they advertise countrywide. So I think the floor is mine. So I don't think the honorable member is right.